Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to mute a user on Twitter. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the home button down below, which is the first option. And after that you should select a user that you would like to mute. All you have to do is tapping on the three dots icon next to its name and scroll down till you find this mute, and there is the user's username, so click on it. As you can see, you won't see tweets from this user or get notifications about them. They won't know they have been muted. Click on yes, I'm sure. And now this person has been muted. If you want to undo this, tap on the button undo, so that person has been unmuted. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.